Okay, mate, so we've done first night practice, 4th on the stocker, 4th on the superbike. That's not a bad start, is it?
Yeah, good start. Yeah, good start. I was away pretty early on the superbike, and maybe should have gone stocker first, really, just to get my eye in, but went straight out on the big girl. And yeah, it was a handful for everybody. Everybody was like coming in after. You could just see everybody's just absolutely buzzing after being away for a couple of years. But yeah, solid start. Solid start. Yeah, bikes were mint. You know, to be fair, ran really well. Brakes, everything on it. Tyres. A couple of little bits and pieces, bit of stability, and just a bit of familiarisation, and just another run round tonight, and just keep chipping away.
How was the conditions in the track? Did it look different?
No, I didn't look any different. I thought the track was rougher than ever.
Really?
Yeah. Sulby Straight was off the chart. There's a massive jump down there. But I don't want to stand here sort of going, hey, you know, kicking somebody in the shins. Everybody's put a lot of effort in. There has been resurfacing and stuff like that. There's a couple of little patches. There's one at Ginger Hall which is a bit bumpy, but same for everybody. You know, the track is what it is. You know, it's a road circuit, and it's the biggest road circuit in the world, and it ain't it ain't Assen. So yeah, but it's, like I say, it was a little bit windy. Wind was catching in a few places. And you hold on tight as well, so I feel a bit like I've been run over today.
And the plans for tonight? 600, 2
Yeah, just everything again. Yeah, maybe a 2, 2 and a 1 on the 600 or something. I did 6 laps last night, so we did a lap at the end of the night on there was about 8 or 9 cameras on it, which was quite interesting. And that's out on online today, so yeah, but that's it. 6 laps last night, 226 miles, not a bad start.
Cool, man. Thanks for your time. I think Spider's trying to kill something like that.
Well, hey, we've had more media and press in here today, so all you lot are just about to get one in the jaw in a minute. So
okay, appreciate your time, mate. I'll see you tomorrow.
Cheers.